Good morning. It's Thursday, February 8th, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. Radar checks clear at 8:21 this morning, but our satellite imagery does not check clear. A little different story compared to yesterday. Pretty good cloud deck over northwest Georgia, metro Atlanta, up in the North Georgia mountains. Little cloud shield down heading into South Georgia as well into Florida. So Valdosta's seeing some clouds, and we see some clearing over most of South Georgia, Middle Georgia, but there are a few clouds out there as well, just not detected with the infrared, but they're there. They're fairly thin, and they're going to kind of melt away fairly quickly as we move through the day today. So expect a pretty good bit of sunshine for a good part of the state, and with that cloud deck, helping temperatures stay a little bit more moderate in northwest Georgia. We probably be in the 20s, upper 20s anyway in northwest Georgia without the clouds, but we're in the mid to upper 30s instead, and then those chilly temperatures roll all the way into the south with 32 degrees down in Blakely in southwest Georgia. Statesboro also at 32 at the freezing mark. And those temperatures are actually a couple of degrees cooler just an hour ago. So temperatures already coming up fairly quickly, and that will continue through the day today. Should be a pretty nice one. Let's take a look at our modeling as we move through your Thursday. So not a whole lot going on. We'll just kind of keep this short and sweet as we roll through the mid-morning hours. Nothing going on this afternoon. This is 1, 2, 3 o'clock. Everything's pretty quiet. Maybe a few clouds along the Georgia coastline. We see some showers out there developing over the Atlantic, but not really looking at a big rain chance for really anybody today. And that's pretty much a calm wind by tonight. This is 10 p.m. and not really showing any pressure gradient across the state, so everything's going to be calm and cool overnight, with some clouds moving in again from the west, moving into the east. That'll help keep us a little bit warmer overnight tonight. Also kind of a warmer day today, so we should start out a little bit more on the mild side tomorrow morning. Those showers start to move into northwest Georgia up in Walker and Dade County, heading into Rome through the overnight hours, and then starting to push into metro Atlanta. We're going to see two lines begin to split, so by daybreak, connect the dots there from really right up I-85 and then up toward the North Georgia mountains. That's line number one, could bring a few showers to us. And line number two, going to bring a little bit more rain, again, entering northwest Georgia as we get going tomorrow morning. The rest of the state, increasing clouds tomorrow. It's going to feel like it wants to rain. It's going to try to rain, maybe a couple of showers down in Albany and Americus area, moving into Macon as well through the mid-morning hours, but not a whole lot going on. We're going to keep most of the rain with those two lines that I mentioned there moving into the northern part of the state. So this frontal boundary moving pretty slow. We head through tomorrow afternoon, still looking at some scattered showers in the same spots, mainly in North Georgia. Through tomorrow evening, that's about the same deal, just kind of fades away as it tries to head down toward the mid-state in southeast Georgia. So things look pretty good tomorrow. Again, more cloud cover, scattered showers mainly in the north. And then Saturday, we'll see some more rain moving in. Sunday will be a rainy day, a few thunderstorms in there as well. We're going to keep an eye on a severe potential. Right now, this frontal boundary kind of throwing off the models a little bit, slowing up a little bit, showing changes in intensity. So we'll just keep an eye on it as we head into the weekend. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.